Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here with Nikki
Hi.
DeRoest. I am so excited that you are able to be here today with me to shoot a favorites video.
Thank you.
Nikki, should we tell everyone how we met?
Yes.
I think that's...
Do you want me to tell?
Yeah, you can tell the story.
So I am also a makeup artist, and I've been a huge fan of Monika for a few years. I found you on YouTube.
Oh, you
actually.
did?
I
Oh,
did.
cool.
And she was one of the first people that I saw that was doing makeup that spoke to me, and I just was like, she's my girl. So she was doing an event at Violet Grey for Kogendo.
Kogendo, yeah.
Yeah, and I knew she was going to be there, so I was going as a fellow makeup artist slash fangirl slash stalker, and waited to basically have her shade match me, and then confess
So
my
sweet.
love to you.
Yeah,
basically.
that was basically, I think that was like a half a year ago, maybe, 9 months ago, something like that. And it's really beautiful to watch you, becoming this rising star here in LA, Nikki, in the last couple of months. It's incredible to watch your career. And I know that she is definitely a makeup artist, for the lookout, and she does beautiful things. She just did a masterclass with Rosie Huntington Whiteley, and just it's really amazing to watch your career. And I know that she is going to be a superstar. And I invited her into my studio today, and we're shooting a few tutorials. We're gonna also do a tutorial where she is applying makeup, but today we're gonna share our 5 current favorite products. And I'm gonna let you start first, Nikki, because you're my guest.
Oh.
So it's not all makeup. There's a few. I see that actually she has no makeup products
Yeah.
there. So I'm very curious to see what you're showing us today.
First of all, it was really hard when she said I could only bring 5 because I could literally keep pulling things out of my bag. Because I love product, I love beauty, and I think we all do. And that's why it's fun to make these videos. So to narrow it down was really hard, but I'm going to. So I just got this this past week, and I find it very interesting. So I wanted to share this with you guys.
Oh, I like that it has a protection.
Yeah, so this
for
is
traveling.
a brand called Lunata Hair, and it's a wireless flat iron. So you only have to charge it, every couple uses, but then you can literally take this on the road. So if you really wanted to, take it on your carry-on, an airplane. You can bring it for travel, especially if you're going to Europe. I think this is a nice option. And it actually, I didn't bring the entire base, but it comes with a little stand too. So it kind of looks nice.
But is it it's a flat iron?
This is a flat iron.
But do you curl your hair with this as well?
This is how I did my hair today.
That's one, I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, I actually just filmed a video teaching how to do my hair this way, so we'll link it.
I'm also going to link all Nikki's information, and she has a beautiful Instagram, and she also has a YouTube channel, so we'll link all of this for you guys.
Yeah, so that was my first one because I just think this is really cool.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
Well, my first product I'm going to share with everyone is a makeup product, and this was actually just recently sent to me. I've never tried any of Huda Beauty's product, and I know that Huda Beauty is so major in the beauty world now, and also on Instagram. And but I have to say that I'm really impressed with these eyeshadow palettes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're all different colors. But I love how compact they are, like they're magnetic. And the colors really spoke to me as well, because they are brighter than a lot of the the eyeshadows, and they also have a lot of like matte shades in there. And I just think that they're really fun for traveling. As a makeup artist, I think they're really great because they don't take off a lot of room, and you can really throw them in your makeup kit, and they're very pigmented. So I've played around with them, and I really like them. So,
I actually have never played with any of her product before either.
Yeah.
So I saw these and I was like, ooh, I can't wait
so they're really fun
to touch these. Yeah, the shades are awesome, and it kind of, it looks really simple because if it's the purple one, you're gonna get a bunch of tones within that world.
Yeah. But what's your second choice?
So second, I was cheating because I wanted to try to get 6 in instead of 5. So I chose 2 masks that I'm obsessed with right now. I'm really into skincare. I feel like cannabis and CBD is a really hot topic right now in beauty. And this is a mask from Origins. It's called Hello Calm. It has cannabis sativa seed oil in it, and it's just really calming. It's great if you carry a lot of redness in your skin, and I just feel like my skin looks amazing after I use it. I love all Origins masks. So that, and then also from Bare Minerals, this mask is called Skin Longevity, and the whole Skin Longevity line from Bare Minerals I love.
Yeah.
But this is like a gel nighttime mask, and I don't even know how to explain it other than if you touch it, it's just the texture of it is
beautiful.
Incredible.
And it's also a natural line, which is
it's
beautiful.
Super clean.
Yeah.
I actually wish I could put this all over my body. So I love it.
You talked about this in the masterclass as well.
Yeah, there's a serum that goes along with this too, but
I want some of this.
I'll get you some.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, so since you talked about skincare, I have one skincare product I would like to share with everyone, and it's by Tammy Fender, and it's the quintessential serum, and a girl at Violet Grey actually turned me on to this product, and to me it's not a serum, it's an oil. If you want to feel it, but there's so many different oils on the market, and some of them are really oily when you apply them. And what I love about this one is under makeup. It's like if you have someone with really good skin and you want to like create this really like luminous foundation, this is such a beautiful product underneath makeup. Good. I just love this. I love this also for my skincare routine. Like I use this in the morning or at night. It smells really beautiful. It works really well on the makeup. So that is my skincare tip.
I want this.
It's great. What is your next product?
Well, I love that you told me to bring my favorite snack because it's so random, but I feel like people love knowing what you like to eat,
what you like
snack
to eat.
On. Okay. I have a snack that I love.
Wait, before you do that, I also want to just really tell everyone what I love about you so much is that you are like me and you really like to take care of yourself. You like to exercise and you really believe in nutrition.
Yeah.
And I always really and nobody ever talks about this. And I, as you all know, I'm always, I'm really into food and I'm really into exercising. And the way how you said it also in your masterclass, I find that so important and so beautiful about you too. That it's like, we are makeup artists and it's all from the outside and we want to put makeup on and it's all great and it helps, but you really have to learn to take care of yourself from the inside,
It's
and
so
you
true.
are really a big believer in that, and I think that's why I'm so attracted to you, or maybe is that the wrong thing to say? Energetically, yeah.
No, and I agree, and I think that that's also for me with you. Just I've watched certain ways that she takes care of herself, the type of exercise. We both love kombucha. Yeah. There's just certain things I'm like, she's my girl. Yeah. Like she gets it. So, and it's true. I think we both are big believers in drinking water, sleep, healthy foods, exercise, because that all comes out for your outer beauty, but it's really what's happening inside. So health is huge for both of us.
So what is your snack?
Okay. So this is my snack here. It's a brand called Nude, and it's made in Canada. You can buy it at Whole Foods. Paleo, vegan, gluten-free, raw snack, but they're actually really, really good. They're super tasty. It's banana, sesame seed, coconut, and spirulina. Really simple, but if you have a sweet tooth or it's like 4 o'clock and you need like a little something, these are like my favorite little go-to snack. It's like my treat.
That looks really good. I actually think I've seen those before at Whole Foods, and they look amazing. Yeah. Well, I am not sharing a snack. I'm sharing a tonic, which I have been drinking since January every single morning. Wow. And it is, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm going to explain to everyone what's in there. It might feel it.
I like it.
You do?
It's like very citrusy.
It is
a lot of lemon.
It's a lot of lemon. So
Yeah.
it's lemon,
Mm-hmm.
aloe vera water, which I buy at Whole Foods, and it has Bragg's apple cider vinegar
How
in it.
much of it?
I put about a tablespoon in it.
Okay.
And it also has coconut kefir, which is a probiotic.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to link the recipe to this tonic in the description box as well. And I did a cleanse in January by Elissa Goodman, who I adore. She's a nutritionist. I will also link her in my description box. And it's just something I love this tonic so much. I wake up in the morning, and the first thing I do is when I go in the kitchen, I have this tonic ready for me, and I just swear by it. It's so good for your gut. It's so good for like your immune system. Oh, it also has fresh ginger in it. Fresh squeezed ginger.
Wow.
I honestly feel like the other day I almost felt like I'm getting sick, and I thought I'm getting a cold, and I just think it's like a miracle water. So
Wow.
that is my thing I wanted to share with everyone.
Does anyone in your family drink it?
It's so funny. I try for everyone to drink, and everyone's like, I can't drink this. So I'm the only one.
Okay.
But it's good because then I don't have to make it for everyone.
And then do you also drink coffee, or is this like
I
your
do have coffee, but I
Okay.
do wait about 30 minutes after I drink this, and then I have coffee. I need my coffee in the morning.
Yeah. So the next thing that I brought, I feel like everyone should know the hack to a Mason Pearson brush, because Mason Pearson is like the ultimate. This is a brand called Bass, and I love it. It's like a Mason Pearson, but I think anyone that's brushing their hair wet, this is the type of brush that you should use because it doesn't damage your hair. And it also is amazing for styling and drying and everything else, but I just wanted...
It's also good for backcombing.
Yeah.
Right?
So this is like a beauty hack because it's like the knockoff of a Mason Pearson, and I think it's great.
That's great.
Yeah.
I love that you're a makeup artist and you're showing us like a lot of other products, which is really exciting.
Yeah,
I
we're
love
shaking
that.
it up a little
Yes,
bit.
we're shaking it up.
Yeah.
Well, I am actually, this is something you should be showing because you love glitter. But I'm actually so excited about these glitter products. They're called Lemonhead. And it's a makeup artist. Her name is Megan Dugan, who created these. And I know that she's worked really, really hard on these products. I know that she's like mixed and matched them in her garage. And now finally people are really noticing about her brand. And she's becoming much more recognizable and more famous. But I just really love her product because they're different than other glitters. I think they're gel based, and they're just so easy to apply. You know, glitter can be so messy and they can be everywhere. And I love how they're just like different textures. And I know you love glitter too.
I do love glitter.
Have you ever played with these?
I have.
You have?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
think
I
they're
just
great.
think that they're really fun and they're different and they're exciting and they're really fun over like in a more dramatic eye makeup look. You can just like layer them. You can put them a little bit on your cheeks, and I just find them really exciting.
Of course, I have to put them all over my
all
hands.
over your hands.
Yeah, these are great.
And the colors are beautiful too.
Yeah.
So go Megan. I'm really excited for your brand and for your products to grow.
So this last one, I'm not going to give you the long explanation because I actually have made a 30-minute YouTube video, which sounds insane, but people have so many questions about it that I gave like a very thorough review. But this tool, machine, whatever you want to call it, is the secret to my youth and the secret to amazing skin. So this is my LED light. I talk about this all the time. Everyone's always asking what they can do to their skin, like what treatment, what things really going to make a huge difference. And truthfully, out of anything I've ever tried, done, seen, this is it. So this is a panel. It has this little control switch here. So there's acne, wrinkles, or aches and pains. So you choose which light. I usually switch between the acne and the wrinkles settings. And then you literally just bend it and put it around your face. I sleep with it on. So you need to keep it on for 30 minutes. So I either fall asleep with it on or I set my alarm 30 minutes before I need to get out of bed and sleep with it on. Kind of snooze. I know that's like a lot of information to cram into like a 1-minute thing, but if you're curious about light therapy, click the link, and there's like a full huge thing about it.
Yeah, this looks really exciting to me. You're the person when I first met you. You introduced me to this light, and I still haven't gotten it. I still need to buy one, but I can't wait to try it out. It looks fantastic. It looks so different in all the other lights which are out there.
Yeah, and not all LED is created equally, so you really have to do your research, which I did. That's why I feel really confident about this. And if you're someone that suffers from acne or just looking for a non-invasive anti-aging treatment, this is...
And you said that you had problems with your skin, right?
Absolutely.
You had acne
lot of
before.
problems, and now, you know, I have so much more skin confidence, which
Your
is...
skin is beautiful, and
Thank
I'm
you.
sitting right in front of her. It's gorgeous. I can
Thank
look
you.
through the makeup, so it looks really nice.
Thank you.
Well, that is really exciting. Well, I don't have a tool, but I wanted to share my latest handbag with you guys.
We're girly girls. Yes.
Which I thought could be kind of exciting.
Beautiful.
So this one here, the reason why I love it so much, it's called the Row. And if anyone doesn't know who the Row is, it's the Olsen twins. They have a beautiful brand called the Row. And I've never owned any of their bags. But the reason why I love this one so much is because I love that it doesn't have a label. You know, a lot of like the bags, it's like Fendi, Gucci, it's all like so loud, and like the label and the name is there. And I love how understated it is. Like the only, you know, it's only this little tiny little thing there. And I think people who know fashion will know this bag, and who doesn't, I don't really care. But I just love how understated it is. It's a beautiful bag. It's magnetic, and so much fits into this little bag. You have no idea. And also what I love is when you travel, you can do like, it's a crossbody. So that's
And the leather feels like butter.
It's beautiful. And it comes in gorgeous colors. So that is my last item I wanted to share with you guys. And I'm so happy that we're able to do this video and share our current favorite 5 products. And I can't wait to film our next video with you, because I'm going to air this right after this. And thank you guys for watching. Thanks for being here. And
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.